Hey guys, this is video 2 of the transmission removal. I'm going to show you my progression. And I'm also going to show you how to remove the torque converter bolts the easiest. First I'm going to show you that, and then I'm going to show you the last couple things I did yesterday before it rained. So here we go, let's jump into it. Okay, the inspection plate, as you see, is already removed, and I got a 14mm up there, and right up here on the crank, I don't know if you can see my wrench there, there's a 24mm. This is a 9.5 SVO Windsor here you're looking at. Okay, so I'm gonna break this bolt free, and I'm gonna show you how I do it, and this is painless and easy. So I'm gonna try to set you here. Hopefully you can see that. So, make sure that's all seated in there. Get good leverage on that. I'm gonna hold this second wrench. One for the money, 2 for the show, 3 to get ready, and the 4th already fell down there. The torque converter bolts are out. The drive shaft bolts are out. I have to remove this brace, the 2 10mm bolts, the 1/2 inch here, and the 2 lines on the other side. She's ready to come out. So like, subscribe, and share, and as always, keep on dreaming. You guys have a good day.